This extendable tool features a compact design that expands for convenient storage and transport. Its durable construction is designed for long-term reliability, while the folding mechanism allows it to fit easily into a bag or storage compartment. This folding hand fan features a tungsten steel alloy frame combined with a portable folding design. It opens and closes smoothly while remaining compact enough to carry in a bag or pocket. This foldable ring features a rotating design with a compact, lightweight construction. It is easy to carry and offers a unique mechanical design that stands out from traditional rings. This stainless steel ring is designed with a durable, corrosion-resistant construction for everyday wear. Its compact design makes it easy to carry at all times, and the solid metal build gives it a sturdy feel. This compact EDC multi-tool features an ergonomic handle designed for a comfortable grip during everyday utility tasks. Its folding design makes it easy to carry and store. These motorcycle gloves are designed to provide comfort, grip, and hand protection while riding. The breathable material helps keep hands comfortable, while reinforced areas improve durability during everyday use. This nylon rod is made from durable, lightweight material designed for repeated everyday use. It offers a simple, compact design that is easy to carry and store.